Sales is all about failure. That's why many people do not go into sales. Why? Because the fear of failure. We all have anxiety and things in our life that we know that we probably won't be achieving on the first time you do it. Repetition, failure. Most of the people, millionaires, successful people, politicians, everybody has failed. But there's such a big anxiety out there with everybody being able to think that they should not fail. Let me tell you something. If you're going to be in sales, you're going to have to fail over and over and over again. Let me give an example. Most comedians have always bombed. Successful comedians have always bombed. But most people can't take that. They think life is just going through getting exactly what you want every time. And life is not about that. Sales is not about that. And that's why you see people that's successful in sales have achieved what they have. If they can achieve it in sales, most of the time they can achieve it in their life. So that's why sales is not for everyone, because everyone cannot deal with failure. It is the key in sales. Realize that. To be in sales, you must fail over and over again. Thank you.